Hi, this is Dr. Roane, and I'm back again for sleep tips. So these are things that you can do to improve your sleep so you can improve your health. Again, it's brought to you by myself in collaboration with the Office of Care and Civility. So this time we're going to talk about sleep environment. So one of the things that's important is understanding that when we associate things with our bedroom, or we do things that are not conducive to sleep, it can impact your ability to fall asleep as quickly as you want. So one thing that can help is actually not only setting an alarm to wake up, but set an alarm on your phone to remind you to power down about 30 minutes before bedtime. This is going to help with you starting a bedtime routine that's going to consist of about 4 to 5 activities to prep for bed, and ends with a low-key activity that's not electronics before you climb into bed. Now, ideally, you would have a separate alarm clock that is your wake-up alarm clock. If not, have your phone set in a place that is not right next to your bed. So it's not easy to grab, but also you're not going to be associating all of the wakeful activities you do with your phone with your bed because it's sitting right there. The next thing to be mindful of are lights. So first thing in the morning, bright light is awesome. It's going to help you wake up. It's going to tell your brain to stop producing melatonin, so you will feel less sleepy. And it's going to help ensure that your circadian rhythm stays consistent, right? Now, what you don't want to do is have lots of bright lights around you in the late afternoon and evening. So avoid overhead lights. Instead, use a table side lamp, use even a standing lamp as long as it has kind of a dimmable bulb. You really want to start cueing your brain that it's getting to evening time so it can start producing melatonin, because melatonin is a night hormone, not a sleep hormone. So if you have lots of lights around, it is going to prevent your brain from signaling the release of melatonin. Another thing you can do is fan it up. What I mean by that is not ceiling fans, but box fans for white noise. This is going to help create, in essence, a noise buffer. It's going to reduce any inside or outside noises that would possibly reduce your ability to sleep or stay asleep. And if you want to reduce any unwanted chilly air, so if you tend to be someone who gets cold, set it on the floor and point it away from the sleeper. But use that fan to create a white noise sound. If the fan isn't something that works for you, then get a white noise maker. But what you want to avoid is something that's going to change volume, change sounds. So you really want that white noise sound, not necessarily music or things that are going to cause have up and down levels or changes in the noise itself, because this is really intending to block other noises from interrupting.